A.O. Smith tankless water heaters operate differently from traditional tank heaters by using an intelligent standby mode system. Unlike traditional tank heaters with constantly burning pilot lights, tankless models with electronic ignition only activate when hot water is needed. When a hot water tap is opened, a flow sensor detects the water movement and triggers the electronic ignition system. The gas burner ignites and heats the heat exchanger, which in turn heats the water as it flows through the system. Once the hot water tap is closed, the burner immediately shuts off and the unit returns to standby mode. Some A.O. Smith models may briefly activate during standby to maintain a reference temperature, ensuring quicker hot water delivery when you turn on the tap. True tankless water heaters are highly efficient because they eliminate standby losses entirely. Unlike traditional tank heaters that continuously heat stored water, tankless units only activate when hot water is needed. However, some hybrid models like A.O. Smith's Next Hybrid combine tankless technology with a small storage tank. This design provides instant hot water but introduces some standby losses. The Next Hybrid has estimated standby losses of just over 300 BTU per hour. This translates to approximately $40 per year in additional energy costs, still significantly less than traditional tank heaters. Despite some standby losses in hybrid models, tankless water heaters still offer significant energy savings compared to traditional tank heaters. The on-demand heating eliminates the constant energy drain of keeping a large tank hot 24/7.